Today I have prepared a recipe for a delicious Iranian dish for you, which is very easy to prepare. To support us, like and share this video and subscribe your channel. For the ingredients we need 150 grams of split pea, 250 grams of lamb meat, 2 onions, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, cinnamon, turmeric, a pinch of salt, 1 dry lemon, 1 fresh lemon juice, olive oil, 1 eggplant, 250 grams of rice, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 3 potatoes. And for Shirazi salad, we need 1 cucumber, 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, and 1 fresh lemon juice. To start, I finely chop the onions and pour some oil in the pot. After the oil heats up, I will add the onions. Fry the onions a little until they become light. Then add the meat and fry well. After the meat is fried, add some turmeric and let it fry again. Finally, add boiling water and let it cook for 90 minutes. At this time, we wash the split pea and soak it in water. We also wash the rice and soak it in water with salt. After 90 minutes, add the split pea to the pot and let it cook. Peel the dried lemon and add it to the pot. Add cinnamon to the stew. You can also use cinnamon sticks. Add the rice to the boiling water. Drain it after about 8 to 10 minutes. Peel and cut the potatoes. We're gonna use them for tahdig. Pour some oil into the pot and pour sesame seeds. Put potatoes on the bottom of the pot. Then pour the drained rice on it. Add hot water and oil to it. Let it cook well for 18 to 20 minutes. Fry the tomato paste a little and add it to the stew. Also add a pinch of salt. Add a fresh lemon juice for a better taste. It's time to peel the eggplant. Sprinkle some salt and let the bitterness come out. Then dry it and fry it on oil. Add the fried eggplant to the stew. It's ready to serve after 10 minutes. I serve this dish with salad shirazi, which is often present on the Iranian table. I hope you cooked this delicious dish called Khoresh-e Gheymeh and enjoyed eating it. If you like, please subscribe your channel for more videos.